तो एक्झिबिशनाक आमी आयिल्ले कडेन आमी जे हांगासर एक्झिबिटर्स आसा तांचे कडेन उलोवपाचो प्रयत्न करूया. सर, यू हैव दिस सेफ्टी इक्विपमेंट हियर, आपके जो एग्जिबिटर करके आप यहाँ पे आ गए, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है और क्या क्या है यहाँ?
We are actually based out of Mapsa itself, and we have had a very wonderful experience.
It's a Goan brand.
We are actually based out of the western coast of India itself, Maharashtra and Goa. We are basically from Ratnagiri, and we have been developing it across the western coast. We have a range of safety equipments for pharmaceutical, shipping industries, mostly all kinds of industries, chemical industries. So it depends on, we have a lot of people going up, our own customers who are coming up towards us in the whole event for the last 2 days. So it's been a wonderful experience. It is more enlightening. We get to understand more issues that they are facing, more hazards that they are facing, and then we can try to identify what kind of solutions we can give them.
So overall, how was your experience in terms of when there are some companies coming over here, they are asking about their problems or they want some solutions. So any customized solution if they want anything else, what they ask?
That is exactly what we have been doing for the past 15 years. We try to come up with customized solutions for our end users. We try to find new brands which can actually provide for them in such a way that it is not just something that will give you a highest protection, but it also has to be an economical in the long term basis. So we have gloves that are now washable, which have higher cut levels, so you can rewash them in your washing machines. We have for your hotel industry, we have smoke hoods that you can keep for up to 8 years if unused. But if in case of fire, their visitors can just wear this and walk out, because most of the deaths that happen in the hotel industry due to fires, during fires, is due to smoke inhalation. Like the Kamla Mills, when most of the deaths happen due to smoke inhalation rather than actual burning. So these kind of hoods can prevent them from having such a fatalities or from such a disastrous results. Along with that, we have fume exhausters, we have food grade cut level gloves, we have eyewears, we have for your airports, we supply a lot of traffic control systems, traffic barriers, speed breakers, your tapes. Those are day-to-day basis.
Every safety precautions was required, it's there over here.
Pin to piano, head to toe. We also have a range of maintenance chemicals which can help you replace and make a more sustainable approach, because most of our solutions specifically based out of Goa, we have for food industries which are food grade cleaners, food grade degreasers, then we have rust inhibitors. We have a replacement for your WD-40 which works in a few moments.
Replacer of WD-40?
Yes, and we have a
industrial use?
It is for both. It is industrial purpose only. We supply it mostly to industries. Then wherever you have electronic components which get wet in there, so before starting them, we can use Lexpure, which is a 35,000 volt dielectric cleaner, degreaser, which is non-chlorinated. Then
but I just wanted to know something. Okay, you are exhibiting your product over here, but if someone wants to come to visit at your outlet or somewhere, it's there in Goa?
We do not keep outlets because we do not have much of a retail sale over here, and nowhere across India we have an outlet. But you can get in touch with us through email or through our website, which is jos.ind.in, jos.ind.in, and you can connect with us on your phones anytime, anywhere. We are 24/7 available. If we cannot pick up the phone, it is because we are in the factory.
So they are working for you actually. So tell me something about this event, like occupational safety and health. This thing.
It is a slowly growing process. Slowly it will develop more and more. We see the shipping industry has a lot of requirements nowadays. Pharmaceutical industries have to follow because they have a certain level of audits. So everyone is slowly moving towards safety, because who doesn't worry about their life?
But there is a lack of awareness?
No. There is not lack of awareness. There is a constant increase in the level of awareness, because what was there yesterday, what technologies were there yesterday are not there today. They have developed, they have moved on. If you see our stall over there, we have supplied airline systems where you can work in extreme 50-60 degrees Celsius while getting a cooling level of minus up to 21 degrees Celsius, which basically it will reduce the air temperature by delta minus 29 degrees Celsius.
Nice. And thank you, Joe. Thank you very much. Thank you.
You are watching Black Radio.